Hello guys, good day. Welcome to the Simmons Questions. Today I'm going to show you how to change your channel's name on your portable radio. So what we have here is a standard Horizon radio model HX400. Okay, to start with, we will use later these buttons, a squelch button and then a CLRWX button. So first, you have to press squelch button, and while pressing this squelch button, we will turn on our portable radio for the settings. Okay, let's start. Press squelch button and then turn on the radio. So we are in the setting mode now. So we will look for the channel's name by pressing the arrow down. So this is the channel name. So in order to change or edit this channel's name, press squelch button. Okay, you can see here 01. This is for the first letter. So the current channel name is ship to ship channel. So that's the channel's name. So we will try to change the name to a working channel. Just press the arrow down to choose your letters. We will look for the letter W. Okay, to move to the next letter, just press the squelch. Now you can see a 02. So this is the second letter. Next letter we choose for letter O. Next letter. So now it's a third letter. Okay, next letter. Next. You can also long press in order to choose faster. Next. Next letter. Okay. Next. Now we will choose for this space. Next. For channel, we just put the CH. Next. Okay, that's all guys. So if you're going to save your channel's name, just press the CLRWX button. Okay, that's all guys. So we will check if our edited channel is being saved. So we will turn off first our radio and then turn on again. Let's see if it's already changed. Okay guys, so the new channel's name is a working channel. So that's all guys. That is how we change our channel's name. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Thank you guys.